All right, we're doing a little shrimp and grits tonight. Doing a little prep.
5.
Yep.
And then I slice it up.
Mm-hmm. Garlic and shallots are in. The bacon grease cooking. We're gonna add some pepper to it, and then we'll come back and do more. There we go, getting it together. A little cream, making a roux. Go, Danny. Go, Danny. All right, so we added chicken stock, heavy cream, made the roux, and then thickened it up. We just added the shrimp, so it's looking good. I mean, that is some good. Look at these shrimp we got here. Mm-hmm. That's some damn good shrimp right there. There's everything.
You know what I
Grits.
big.
I know they're big shrimp, aren't they, Danny? Look at Master Chef Danny here. Turn around there, Danny. There you are. What's up, Big Kitty? We got the wine going, cocktails going. Happy Friday, y'all.
And you can do white cheddar if you want to.
White cheddar would be good too.
Yep.
This cheddar looks even better. I like this chip too. I think I almost like the white cheddar. But some cheesy grits, y'all. Gonna do with sausage, bacon. You know, be a little nice little, put a little Nice's hot sausage in there too. Man, look at that. Yum, yum. All right, guys, so here's the finished project. Shrimp and grits, Danny's way.
Danny's
Green onion.
way. Oh.